So what this sign represents is a 14.52 inch by 6.52 inch area, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is edit that area because we want this to be, and I'm going to unlock the, the square, well, the rectangle, sorry, and it's going to be 15 by, click here, 7, and then I'm going to lock it again. So the reason I did that is because that's the area of the surface of the sign that I'm going to be using, okay? And to make this sign, what I did was I went down here to shapes. And what you want to do is get you a shape that your sign is going to be. This is a square, but obviously my sign is a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press edit, and then up here pops up a bar. So you have to have your object highlighted when you dibble around with this. So I'm going to click edit, and up here is like a bar of options. You know, you can use those options for different things. But with this square, I want to make it a rectangle, and it's going to be 15 by 7. Okay, and I'm going to lock it. Now let's bring it back up here so you all can see. I'm going to change the color of this so that it's the same as that, because what we're doing is duplicating this right now. So go down here and you're going to go to edit, and then right here it says basic cut, and then there's this circle. Well, this circle represents the color of this box. Okay, I'm going to click it, and we have a whole bunch of colors we can use here. Okay, and we also have down here we can adjust the color to fit how we want it, but right now I'm going to use the one that we have. Okay, that's there. So in order to get this, you want to go to text, and you're going to say custom gifts. Oops, let's bring this over so we can see what we're doing. So you double click it. Come on. You know what? I'm not about to fool with that, so I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to start over. I'm going to go to text. I'm going to go custom gifts. So let's see, done. Let's move it over. Okay, we got custom gifts. So to make this bigger, once again, we're going to go down here to edit, and we can change the width and height. So with it being locked, it's going to change the width and height. So I'm just going to make it bigger. Okay. So see that there? And see, we can bring this back and forth. So say for instance, this covered up custom gifts. It will be because when we go to edit and then arrange, we can bring it to the front, or we can send it to the back. See that? And we can also do that with the writing. You go to edit, um, arrange, you can send it to the back, or you can bring it to the front. Okay, so that's how that works. Also with this font, you can go to edit, and here is your fonts. So this is how you change your fonts. Let's see. You can have any font you want, and then you can resize it to how you need it sized. Okay. So there's like, I have a Cricut membership, so there's so many fonts in here that I can use. If you have like the basic Cricut, there's less fonts, but there's like tons of fonts in here, y'all. Um, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what the name of this font is because I like it. I'm gonna go to edit, and it's called Beefcakes. Okay, you see right there it says Beefcakes. So when I come here, I'm gonna go to edit. See, I have my font clicked. I'm gonna go to font name, and I'm gonna search Beefcakes. And here it is. You see right there it says Beefcakes. That's the font. Okay. And I clicked it, and then it changed the font. Okay. So I'm gonna zoom back in, and right now what I want to do is I don't want it to be on top of each other. Oops. I changed the size of my box as well by accident. But I'm gonna take this bar right here and elongate it so that it can be side by side like that. So I changed the size of this box by accident when I was moving it. That happens sometimes. I'm just gonna go back here, unlock this, and just put it back on 15 by 7, and then unlock it. Okay. So now we have this like that. So then to get the phone number, if you want the same font, you can simply press duplicate. Okay. Press duplicate, double click, and then you type in your phone number. Okay. We're going to say text, and then you're going to put your phone number. Okay. If this is anybody's number, I'm so sorry. But yeah, you just put your phone number in. And I'm going to elongate this so it can be side by side like that. And then we change the size of this because we want it to fit. So you go to edit. Now here you scroll over. We're going to unlock it. And we're changing the width because it's definitely too long. Okay, it's definitely got to be under 15 because our box area is 15 in width. So, and then we want our height to be a little bit taller. Okay, so then you got something like that, you know. So that's how you would do that. If you wanted this to match exactly, all you have to do is click up here, duplicate it, and put it into position. But what I just shown you is how you do it from scratch. And I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Have a great day.